If you're serious about learning how to earn a 6 and even 7-figure income wholesaling and flipping houses, this is a video you don't want to miss. My name is Norton, and for over 10 years I've been helping people just like you get in the game of flipping, create financial freedom, and live the life of their dreams. And right now I'm looking for a small group of people to join my mentoring program called Fast Track. I call it Fast Track because it's designed to put you on the fast track to success in real estate. Now, Fast Track has been around for years, but I want you to know that this current version is different. You see, in the past, I used to partner with students and hold their hand every step of the way. The problem was I wasn't empowering them to create their own success. I was doing too much for them. I believe in the old adage, give a man a fish and feed him for a day, teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. The problem with the old Fast Track program was that I was doing everything for my students. I wasn't teaching them how to flip houses for themselves so they could build a 6 and 7-figure real estate business that gave them true financial freedom. But with this new and improved program, we've changed that. Instead of partnering with me, you'll get one-on-one mentoring from one of my certified coaches. All of my certified coaches are experienced real estate investors actively flipping houses in different parts of the country. I have personally vetted each one and they all meet my strict standards. If accepted into the program, you and your coach will meet regularly, talk on the phone, and you'll have direct access to them by email for questions between calls. Let me be clear, these are not group calls like other coaching programs. These are individual, one-on-one with you and your coach. That means you will have their undivided attention. You will talk about your deals, get your questions answered, and get specific advice to reach your goals in real estate. And if you're not sure what your goals are, then your coach will help you define them with a series of goal-setting exercises. Your coach will give you a step-by-step blueprint to achieve your real estate dreams, whether that's making an extra $5,000 per month as a side hustle or $100,000 or more per year, enough to quit your job and do real estate full-time. Once you have your blueprint, your coach will work with you to put it into action. But unlike the old version of Fast Track, they won't do it for you. They'll empower you to do it for yourself. But that's not all. In addition to your personal coach, you will also get my industry-leading software called Flipster. Now, if you haven't heard of Flipster, it's an all-in-one real estate software for finding, funding, and flipping houses. Flipster comes with millions of motivated seller leads in every market in the country, plus cash buyer leads and private lenders, custom websites, deal analyzers, comps, digital fill-in-the-blank contracts, and much, much more. In short, Flipster gives you the tools you need to flip houses from just your phone or computer and do it from anywhere. And as an added bonus, if you act fast, you can still meet me in person. Now, I may not do this forever, but students who join my new Fast Track program will get an exclusive invitation to hang out with me in Puerto Rico. Now, if you haven't heard, I recently moved to Puerto Rico with my family. Real estate has given me the freedom to live and work where I want, so I decided to buy a luxury ocean view home on a tropical island in the Caribbean. Now, I feel blessed to be able to live in such a place with my family and flip houses virtually in markets all over the United States. So if you are accepted into Fast Track, then you'll get an invitation to join me for 2 days in Puerto Rico, where we'll hang out, we'll eat meals together, and you'll learn from me in person. But you have to act fast. We have a limited number of available spots in Fast Track, and they're already filling up. So if you want to get in, you need to apply right now. Click the link in the description box below this video and fill out a short application. After you fill out that application, someone from my team will be in touch. Thanks, and I look forward to meeting you.